guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have a haul for you. I'm really excited about the things that I picked up. I think you'll like them. So let me show you. It's coming from Amazon, Michael's, Sam's, and Office Depot, okay? So let's get started. I want to show you what I found. Okay, let's see. First, I think we'll start. I was in Michael's and they had their paper pads on sale. Now these didn't say hot buy, but they were still on sale for $5. They're regularly $19. And this is just love letters, and I think these are beautiful. Let me try to get this to where you can see just how, I mean, they're so soft, so pretty. I just love their paper. It's kind of hard to see some of this, but these have butterflies with gold. I mean, they're just gorgeous. It's just a soft, pretty. I loved this. I thought that was gorgeous. And then that is beautiful. But for $5, you cannot beat Michael's Hot Buys when they're on sale. They're just gorgeous. So I picked this one up, and then I saw Garden Dreams, and I love that one. I had to get that. It's more vibrant, but I think it's beautiful. And it had more butterflies. I just loved everything in here. You could do a lot of pretty planner spreads or pocket letters, anything like that. And then Mermaid Lagoon. I thought these were really sweet as well. And this is like embossed, because you can feel it. It's just like seahorses. That's so pretty. And then I thought that was just gorgeous. And then that is so pretty. It's kind of hard to see. And that just looks like mermaid scales or fish scales. And then this is embossed too. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love all of these. So I picked this up. It just has so many beautiful pages in that. And they were each $5, okay? Then, I think that's the only thing. No, I got some other things at Michael's, but I'll go, well, I guess I should stay at Michael's while I'm there. Okay, I picked up a Cricut EasyPress 2, and I picked up the one that's 9 by 9. I'm so excited about this. Now you can go ahead and make shirts with vinyl with your iron. I have done that and I liked it, but I'll tell you why I picked this up. Cricut is coming out with their infusible ink, and I think this is going to be a total game changer, and I want to be ready, and you need to use one of these. Now, I've heard some people say you can use an iron, but the only problem with an iron is you can't pick it up and move. It has to cover your image. So I just decided, because I don't want to smear it or mess anything up, now's the time to buy the EasyPress 2. So I picked that up. That's why I actually got it. And then while I was in there at Michael's, I went ahead. Now this was, I think I told you, it was $189, okay? Now this are the pads for the Cricut. They're little mats. And I went ahead and got two. They were on sale. And I think they were like 12 something. So I picked two of these up because, like I said, I really think I'm going to enjoy the infusible ink, okay? So then let's go to Amazon. I love Amazon. This is a pencil case for my colored pencils. I love this pattern, and it has 3 zips. It was $22.90. I think that's a great deal for a pencil case. It holds 160 pencils. It also said if you wanted to use it as a makeup brush holder or anything like that. I have no desire to do that, but it's a Yongcol, and it came in 4 colors. It was like this mint, which I love. Then it had a black with some flowers. Then it had just one that was solid turquoise, I think, and then maybe a solid black, but I love it. But it will hold your Prismacolor pencils as well as other types of colored pencils. But when you unzip it, you can see I already have mine in here. It just makes it so easy. And Mom actually, she bought her a pencil case, and then she also bought this because you can just leave them all unzipped. It holds all your pencils very securely. And this isn't sponsored or anything. I just really love it. So I love how that came out. And I like how that it'll just be pretty when it's setting around in my craft room or when I'm looking at it. And it's like some kind of vinyl or something. So if you get anything on it, it'll just wipe off. But is that not gorgeous? And I love the little carrying strap. So I picked that up. Then, while I was on Amazon, I saw these coloring charts, extra large, and I thought, oh, what a wonderful idea to do your swatches for your colored pencils or different kind of blends. You can even use them for your markers. And it's just a complete set of these coloring little swatch areas like this. That's what the whole book is. And I just think it is so neat. I took one out when I did the Arteza markers. I cut one page out and just made copies on some cardstock, and it's great. You could color in here if you wanted, but this was like, how much was this? $7.99. So it has me taken care of for color charts for a long time, okay? Then, let's see. Oh, I also picked up this Prismacolor pencil sharpener, which I've been using. One of you suggested, well, actually, one of you said you had it, and I didn't like mine. I love this. You can sharpen it at 2 different sizes, and it really helps to get the Prismacolor pencils very sharp. So I do like this one. I did not like the one I had, okay? And then, that's all. Oh no, then my husband, he goes out of town quite frequently for work, so he picked up this really nice case at Sam's, and when we were in Sam's, and it was like, I think it was $32, but it's really big. It has a snap here, you can put things in here, and then it opens up and it has a shoulder strap to it with it too. And plus, if we go anywhere, we'll have plenty of room. But you can see how big that is down in there. And then it has a zipper right in here. They had it in a really pretty green, and then this pretty brown color. And then the top, this opens up like that, and you can just snap it together like that and carry it. But I thought this would be perfect, and he loves it. So he picked that up. He had to get in on the action. Okay, and then, I don't want that to fall. Then while we were in Sam's, they have a great deal on this premium cardstock. It's 110 pound, okay? And that's perfect for your swatches, like if you're going to do your colored pencils or something like that. And it was only like, I think it was $8, and you get 275 sheets. This is a great deal. Now, they only had it in white, but that's really all I need to make my swatches or anything. And you can even use this with your Cricut, so that's really good. Okay, and then the last thing, no, it's not the last thing. Then, when I did my color with me, I used these Posca markers, and I love them. And I had bought mine online on Amazon. No, I didn't buy it from Amazon. I bought it from Blick Art. But I was trying to avoid, you know, waiting and getting them online, even though you get it pretty quick. But I found out that JoAnn's sells them, our store does, in the very back. So I got the blue and the green. That's all they had. But I love this to just add to your drawings. It really adds dimension. And I got the 0.7. I don't know if you can see that. And I got the 0.7 with both of them. But this is a little bit different tip. okay? And then the last thing I picked up is a lot of this is just for my newfound loves that I'm doing. I mean, I still love my DIYs and I will do those, but I needed stuff for the Cricut and for the coloring. Okay, I picked this Mighty Zip Tab Up 3-ring binder. You can get them, I bought mine at Office Depot. I think it was a little more expensive there. Walmart sells them, and even, I wish I had known this, eBay sells them way cheaper. I think I paid 20 something for this, and I think I saw them on eBay for $4. Okay, but I love how, and they have a lot of different colors. I like this like hot pink. I think it's so nice. Has this little hand strap, like if I want to go to Mom's and take some swatches, we're going to color, something like that, I can just take it. It has this zipper right here, and it's not too far down in here, but you could put like pencils or something. I wouldn't put my Prismacolor pencils in this though. And then what I love about it is look how easy this unzips and zips. I love it. Okay, and then when you open it up, it has a really nice big divider, and I've already started putting like my swatch sheets in here and my little color charts and things like that. And then it has room in the back. Let me get this over here. Has room in the back. You can put your color charts or your additional swatches. Like I said, I just made a copy of that here, and I love that. And I can keep all my stuff in one place. And then right in here, it has a zipper where I can keep, like when I'm doing my color with me, I put the names and the swatch of my color so you all can see. I can keep those right down in here, or you could keep anything that you wanted. And then it has this little pouch that expands, and that you can keep more stuff in here. I just love this. But I love that it's so easy to zip, because you can do it one-handed, just like that. It zips and unzips so easily. I love this. And like I said, they had it in purple and blue and this pink. Mom got one, it was really pretty. It was in a teal. So that concludes my haul, but I really enjoyed everything that I got, and I thought you all might find it interesting. If you're looking for something to hold your colored pencils in, I think that's a really good deal. Or this paper at Sam's, I think that's awesome. Or those coloring charts. Well, naturally, I liked everything or I wouldn't have bought it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun, and I'm going to enjoy all my stuff. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.